Welcome to my channel. Today we're making delicious blueberry buns with crumble topping. As always, for new viewers, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to stay up to date with my recipes. You'll find the list of ingredients in the video description below. Let's start by preparing the dough. In a bowl, we'll add flour, pour in half a cup of warm milk, 1 egg yolk, 1 whole egg, 4 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and our prepared yeast mixture. For the yeast mixture, we need 40 g of yeast, half a cup of warm milk, a tablespoon of sugar, and a tablespoon of flour. Mix these and set aside for about 10 minutes in a warm place to rise. Add this to the dough ingredients and let's start kneading. Once the ingredients are combined, add 80 g of melted and cooled butter. Continue kneading until you have a smooth dough. The dough shouldn't stick to your hands. If needed, you can sprinkle a bit more flour. Set it aside to double in size for the filling, mix 450 g of blueberries, a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and a tablespoon of potato starch. Now take each piece of dough, flatten the dough in your hands, place it in a bowl, and then add as many berries as you can fit. Next, carefully seal the dough around the berries. Once formed, place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper with the sealed side down. Cover the prepared buns and set them aside to rise again for about 15 minutes. Then brush them with beaten egg white. To the egg white, I added 2 tablespoons of milk. We used the yolk in the dough and here we're using the white. Then for the finishing touch, add the crumble topping. You'll find the crumble proportions in the video description. Bake the buns for about 15-20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius using top and bottom heat without fan. Once ready, dust with powdered sugar or glaze and enjoy. They're absolutely delicious. I highly recommend them. Make sure to try this recipe.